First question. The two masses 340 gram meter and 300 gram meters are connected in a two ends of the light extinguishable string that passes over a frictionless pulley. What is the distance travelled by the mass in 6 seconds? Start from rest. What are the given data? Two masses are given here. Starting at rest, that means u equal to 0. And the frictionless pulley also, so we don't bother about the value of friction force. And we want to find out in 6 seconds how much distance it is. Page number 209. How much distance it is covered. So S we want to find out. Okay. Listen here. First write the given data. M1 is given. What is the value of M1? 340 gram. M2. 300 gram. So first convert into gram to kilogram. कैसे convert करेगा? Divided by very good 1000. So 340 divided by 1000. Your answer is 0.34 kilogram. Am I right?
Yes.
Similarly, 300 gram converted into kilogram divided by 1000. 0.3 kilogram. This was clear, everyone?
Yes.
Why we have to convert gram to kilogram? Because SI unit of the mass is kilogram. That's why all the physics numericals we are to done with SI unit. SI unit. Another given data, time is given. Time is 6 seconds. Am I right? 6 seconds is the given data. Okay. Then other thing is starting at rest. That means u equal to 0. What do you want to find out? S. S means how much distance the masses is covered. That is S. So how we have to find out? S find out technically equation क्या है? Equation of motion. I am just explaining you the difference between laws of motion and equation of motion. You remember?
Yes, miss.
Laws of motion is Newton first, second and third law. Equation of motion S equal to ut plus half at square, v square equal to u square minus 2as, v equal to u plus 80. So S equal to
ut plus half at square.
at square. So S value we want to find out. U value 0. So this full term will become to 0 plus half. A value we want to find out it. Time is already given 6. How to find out A? Yesterday we have to study the equation of A, acceleration. What is the equation of A? A equal to net force divided by
mass of the accelerating
masses.
body.
You remember that expression?
Yes, miss.
Net force divided by sum of the masses. Sum of masses. What is the net force here? M1 minus
M2
M2 of
G.
G. Sum of the mass means
M1
plus M2. Clear everyone? M1 is given, M2 is given. What is the value of G? Acceleration due to gravity का value
9.8.
9.8. You should take 10. So simplification will be easy. You got it?
Yes.
समझ गया क्या? This equation कहाँ से मिला हम लोग को? Yesterday we should study the connected bodies acceleration equal to net force divided by sum of the forces. So simplify this data. You should get the answer of A and apply the A here. You should get the final answer. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Try to do the numerical. Pause the video. So now you can just see the answer. I am just substituting the value of A here. M1 value is 0.34, M2 value 0.3 and G value is 9.8 and T value 6. So T square means 6 square divided by M1 plus M2, answer is 0.64. After the simplification, final answer is 11.025 meter. Pause the video. Listen here everyone. All the class please listen here. Okay. In this question, the difference between the masses is given. That's the reason I am writing M1 minus M2 equal to 0.5 kg. All the data are given in kg. That's the reason we cannot convert. All are in SI system. Then after that I am applying the, which equation is this?
Distance.
Equation of motion. Third equation of motion S equal to ut plus half at square. Done right now. Initial condition is rest. That's the reason u 0 hai. So this full term come to 0. Half at square is left. I want to find out the value of A from here. So A equal to, the 2 is going to that side, will be going multiplication way. So 2s divided by t square equal to A. A for acceleration. S value is already given 10 meter. T value is already given 2 seconds. So 2 into 10 divided by 2 square, your answer is 5. Unit of
Meter per second
square. This much clear, everyone? What we want to find out? We want to find out m1 and m2 separately. Okay. Then m1 minus m2 0.5. So what is m1 plus m2? 0.5 divided by 5. What is 5? Acceleration. That's why. Okay. So m1 plus m2 equal to 0.5 divided by 5. Your answer is 0.98. So m1 plus m2 0.98. m1 minus m2 0.5. So plus m2 minus m2 will be cancelled. 2m1 equal to subtract of these two 0.98 plus 0.5. Your answer is 1.48. So 2m1 equal to 1.48. So m1 क्या है? 1.48 divided by 2. So m1 answer is 0.174 kilogram. So how to find out m2?
Putting the value of
m1 plus m2 0.98. So how to find out m2? 0.98 minus m1. m1 value we know 0.74. Subtract it, you should get the answer of m2. अभी क्या क्या मिला हम लोग को? m1 and m2. Clear everyone? Pause the video. Just waiting. Who's are asking the doubt like that? क्योंकि आप लोग को भी कुछ बोलना चाहिए. Listen here. Acceleration equal to total net force divided by sum of the masses. You remember that expression?
Yes.
So what is the net force here? m1 minus m2 of g. G is acceleration due to gravity. You don't bother about the value of g. So net force divided by sum of the forces. What we want? m1 plus m2. And how to find out m1 plus m2 from this expression? m1 plus m2 equal to m1 minus m2 divided by a. m1 minus m2 I already know the answer 0.5. A value I know 5. So divide these two, you should get the answer of m1 plus m2. Are we clear over sir? Where is the value of g? That is your doubt. G is always here because g either be s or either be u. G value means acceleration due to gravity is everywhere inside of the earth, surface of the earth, above the earth surface, beyond the environment. G value is present. That's the reason. Are we clear होगा? So acceleration expression is net force divided by
Total mass.
sum of the masses. I repeat once more. Net force divided by
Sum
sum
of
of the masses. From that expression, we should find out m1 plus m2. Are we clear? Pause the video. Here is given 500 kg. Moving with the velocity. I will repeat you. Moving with the velocity means
Initial velocity.
49 meter per second. Brought to rest. Come to rest. Meaning is final velocity 0. Distance is given 30 meter. We want to find out acceleration and tension force. Acceleration using the first equation of motion. V square equal to u square plus 2as. So a equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. All the deltas are given here. Substitute it. Simplify करने के बाद minus 0.4 meter per second square मिलेगा. What is the meaning of this minus? It is retardation. That's the meaning. Then after that, we want to find out the value of T. T for
tension.
tension force. What is the horizontal movement का tension force क्या है? M of G minus A. All the deltas we already know. To get the final answer, 5,500 Newton. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So one more big question left there. That is today is my homework. Please try to do the numerical. Drop the video.